Think back to when you were a child. Do you remember the toy birds that you could balance on your finger? Did you ever wonder how they worked? Well, we can make a very similar toy that every child can benefit from using 5 materials found in every school: paper, colored pencils, scissors, glue, and paper clips. All students have to do is color their bird, cut along the edges, glue the 2 sides together, and add paper clips. And voila! In 4 simple steps and less than 30 minutes, you can have your own balancing bird, which students can learn from and teachers can use as a learning tool. Students can use these balancing birds to investigate the center of mass and explore disrupting the bird's balance or equilibrium by adding or removing paper clips. For example, if paper clips are placed too high, the bird may tilt to one side, like this bird. See how it's tilting? What happens if you add or remove paper clips? Students can make observations and use what they know about the center of mass to balance their birds. This lesson is easy to adapt based on students' needs and abilities. Students can work independently or in groups as they decorate and investigate. Students can be given more or less agency as they explore balancing options. For example, students can determine independently where to place the paper clips, while other students may need a little more scaffolding or a similar model for reference. Those who finish early can try balancing other objects, such as butterflies, dragonflies, or different shaped birds with other materials. Assessment of understanding is easy. Just look at the student's bird. Does it balance? If it doesn't balance, can they explain why? The balancing bird can support elementary through high school students in their understanding of the New York State Science Learning Standards. For example, plan and conduct an investigation to provide evidence of the effects of balanced versus unbalanced forces on the motion of an object, and make observations or measurements of an object's motion. This balancing bird is a fun and interactive way to ensure students grasp the learning standards, can be incorporated into many future STEM lessons, and also leaves them with an amusing little learning companion. Also, it's a great and simple reminder of the importance of balance.